Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making fried mozzarella cheese balls. Enjoy the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need mozzarella cheese balls. We recommend using a better brand of mozzarella cheese balls. Eggs, flour, Panko breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and parsley flakes. Begin by adding 1 1/2 cup of Panko breadcrumbs to a dish. Season to taste with grated Parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and parsley. Whisk. In another bowl, whisk 2 eggs. Next, in a bowl, add 1 1/2 cups of flour. Now it's time to coat the mozzarella balls. First, coat the balls in eggs, then flour, back in the eggs, then the breadcrumbs, back in the eggs again, and lastly, the breadcrumbs. Place in the freezer for 30 minutes. Next, fry until golden. And there you have it, fried mozzarella cheese balls. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Memphis be cooking.